I've been waiting to visit this grand old place in Madras, and today I'm finally here. The Victoria Public Hall is now open after 3 years of intense restoration. 1,000 rupees. This was the handsome reward for the competition that chose the design that we see even today. Built as the city's town hall in 1887, coinciding with the golden jubilee of Queen Victoria's reign, these red brick walls have seen it all. The city's first dramas, films, tournaments. We explore the galleries and installations and experience an immersive audio journey through Madras and a short film about the hall's history. Eminent voices such as those of Gandhiji, Mahakavi Bharatiyar, Swami Vivekananda echo. Songs and speeches that sparked revolutions, building the city's vibrant spirit. Political and cultural revolution. As someone fascinated by the power of storytelling, performance and community, I can't wait to see this place come alive again. Head to the Greater Chennai Corporation website to plan your visit.